Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down concrete numbers so pricing is not guesswork. First, pull demand data and competitor price points. Note average sale price and sales velocity. Next, confirm supplier costs, mock, lead times, and shipping fees so you know landed cost per unit. Then calculate fixed overhead per SKU and choose a baseline target margin, typically 20 to 40%, so your price covers cost plus profit. Once done, you'll have a minimum viable price floor to keep moving. Now build a transparent price model step by step. Calculate landed cost per unit by adding product cost, shipping, duties, packaging, and payment processing fees. Then layer marketing and platform fees, estimate CPM or CPC spend per sale, returns rate buffer, and commissions so you know true variable cost. Create 3 price tiers: low, standard, premium, and project margin and conversion for each. Run a/B tests to measure elasticity and adjust the model iteratively based on real conversion and ROAS data. To finish, deploy chosen prices with tracking on every SKU and sales channel. Monitor conversion rate, average order value, refund rate, and ROAS closely during the first 2 weeks and compare to your projections. Use pricing rules like dynamic repricing, bundle discounts, or free shipping thresholds to optimize. If metrics lag, prioritize actions. Reduce ad spend, pause losing SKUs, or renegotiate supplier terms. A key troubleshooting tip: if margins collapse unexpectedly, suspend promotions and trace which
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.